Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today is p.louise Day ×2. We saw the preview of the July box on the 1st of July and I told Krista, I was like, quick hurry up, subscribe for your own this month. We both need our own box. So we did. So we're only going to open one, but we got two. Now we did get two. We got our subscription box very early in the month. Today's the 20th. But we opened them and they were the June box. They had shipped the wrong month. So I called their customer service and they said, oh, I'm so sorry. I can see the warehouse has the wrong boxes. We returned those, got these instead, and they came today. So.
And it says serving heat with every drop, too good to miss. Don't let it stop.
And how cute are these boxes?
Too hot to miss, too good to ignore. Once you're in the hot spot, you'll always want more.
Cute.
These are.
Look at the, while she opens that one, well, hang on, don't open it yet. Look at how the spots are shiny. So this I love these boxes.
And there was a paw print.
These are boxes I will keep and not toss away.
Paw prints on each side.
And it's got a little peel in the middle of the paw. All right, we're gonna open it. All right, we got one open. Look at the inside. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Now you'll see why we each had to have our own.
Yeah, there was no way we were sharing this box.
Yes, look at this. So we'll start.
We're just gonna really open the one box for now for you guys, but we each have our own.
So I didn't bring my glasses.
Oh, you want to borrow my glasses? I'm gonna share my glasses.
So this is the Finishing Touch Untamed Sugar All Over Body Glow.
Ooh, that sounds fun. Is it sealed or open?
Oh, it's sealed.
Okay, we're not gonna open it because it's a body glow. So we didn't need two of everything in the box, but we definitely
there was enough of everything we wanted to two of. So.
Yes, and there's. You want to do these two together?
Yeah.
There were two blushes in here. Two separate of the Cheek of It blushes.
What color do you have?
And everything is in the cheetah box. My color is Sweet Sundae.
And mine's Naughty Nectarine.
Ooh, look at that beautiful berry color.
I can't wait.
I'm not going to swatch these because I think we have very similar of these open, but these are great for backup.
Hold on, I opened it upside down.
I love that these are, and the great thing about these kind of themed boxes is even though we have several of these, we don't have the brown or the brown packaging. So it makes it different and special and fun just because of packaging. These are, yeah, we each have our own of these.
Can't do anything with mine.
Yeah, this is Krista's box. My box is nice and sealed up, but I have the same thing.
Okay, you have to open that one.
So this one is a Protect Your Pout for Attractive Lips, Speak Words of Kindness. That's a good lesson for everybody. So this is the Protect Your Pout and Untamed Sugar.
Ooh. I bet it's going to be a nice neutral.
If I can get it out. Oh, and it's in a little heart thing.
Oh, look at it.
Okay, so this is Krista, so I'll let her swatch it.
So let's...
Ooh, it is. It's wonder if it has color like when you put it on.
So I'll just...
Let's see. Find a good spot.
So it is...
It's just a neutral gloss.
It's a neutral gloss, but it's nice.
Yes.
And it blends in with my tan really nice.
Very cool.
Ooh.
Does it smell like anything?
Oh, yes.
Oh my goodness. That's like toasty sugar cookie almost.
Yes. Oh.
No, it smells like chocolate chip cookies.
Oh.
I think to me that's what it smells like.
Oh,
but my nose is weird, so there's no telling what it really smells like.
Nice. And this is, I think this is the mascara.
Oh yeah, it came with a different mascara than we have. And it's in black.
And we each wanted one.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, look at the pretty.
It's such a departure to have things that are not pink or now blue from p.louise.
So this is what it looks like, the wand.
It's not a fluffy brush at all.
But I can't wait to try it though, because I like all her other mascaras.
Yes.
We've tried. So this is the one other thing we couldn't share.
No. Okay. It is a very cute cheetah. I can't get it. Makeup bag, and it's quilted.
Oh, look how nice
that is really nice quality, and it's a triangle shaped bag when you pop it all the way out.
Oh, let's open it.
Yes, and look how roomy that is. And it says p.louise on the front.
Yeah, it says p.louise.
It feels really nice. It feels very nice.
Tag.
You can hook that that is gorgeous.
Oh, it'll hold a lot of stuff. I know what's going with me on vacation this year.
Yeah, we'll each have our own to put stuff in. Oh, love that.
I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it.
So this box you can still subscribe for $39 plus shipping.
Yes.
Tell me how that's a bad deal.
All of this stuff.
The value of this box is crazy insane. Like, I believe these blushes are like 20 something bucks a piece normally.
And the colors are amazing.
And the mascara is over $20.
$20.
The value of the products in this box is probably close to 100, if not more. But I will try to find what the blushes, the normal things like these sell for. I'll put in the corner what these would sell for now. I don't know that she even has. I think the only bags she has on the site now are the ones left over from Christmas. But a bag of this quality would be probably a $15 or $20 bag at Walmart. Forget getting a name brand, cutesy, and stitched and embroidered. And
quilted.
I mean, even the little hang tag is embroidered. Love.
Love, love, love.
All right, this is why we had to get two. Grab yours while you still can, because once these are gone, you're going to have to try to find it on eBay or Mercari or Poshmark or somewhere when somebody decides to sell one. But $39 to subscribe. Even if you just want this box and you don't want to keep your subscription, use the subscription. It's a lot cheaper, and then just cancel it or suspend it for the next time. That's what Krista did. She may end up getting a second box another time, but this time we chose the cheaper option, got the $39 subscription. She can stop it. We didn't have to pay the $69 I think it cost for a one-time purchase, and it works. So
yes.
Let us know what you think about this amazing not pink box of p.louise in the comments.
Love it, love it.
Love it. We love it. We love it a lot. So thank you guys so much for joining us on this not pink p.louise day. If you like the video, hit like. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe. Let your friends and family know about our channel. But most importantly, have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.